top headlines for the day.
Tubelight, the upcoming film with Salman Khan and Kabir Khan, is actually a remake of Little Boy, a Hollywood film. Yes, starring Jacob Salwati, this was a very sensitive movie which takes one through the journey of a child searching for his father who got lost in a war. Tubelight deals with Salman, who is a slow learner and gets mocked, and then later on deals with the situation of Sohail, his brother, getting lost in the war. So while Little Boy deals with the father and son relation, Tubelight deals with the brother-brother relation. Salman Khan is really dabbling with a lot of unique storylines, and we would have been happy to see Salman do an original. Sad that Tubelight is a remake, and sadder that the script has been copied. Anyway, when it is Salman, the film is bound to be interesting. Salman Khan has got a new co-star, Zuzu, who is going viral with her selfie showing her workout. Well, isn't it a great sight to see the starlet act it out in Tubelight and now to see the exercise workouts? Zuzu is a Chinese actress who would be seen with Salman Khan in his upcoming Tubelight, and this Kabir Khan film sure would again be a whammer. Zuzu, said to be a talented actress, has another feather in her cap of success with this video, as everyone is really going gaga over it. Meanwhile, the shooting for the Kabir Khan film was already done in Ladakh, and now it is Kashmir calling. However, due to unrest in Kashmir, the shoot is postponed. In the interview, Zuzu sure is getting a lot of attention, hai na? This ad video featuring Tiger Shroff's mother and Salman Khan is really something to watch out for. Remember the 80s when the fizzy drink Campa Cola was in vogue? Yes, everyone used to love the drink, and the ad only endorsed the fun that youngsters usually have with the drink. Seen in the ad are Tiger Shroff's mother and a very young Salman Khan, who still had the dabang style that he has now made his brand. The ad only takes one back down the memory lane, which is filled with so many memories. With the Flying Judge scheduled to release this week, the ad only brings back the fact that the handsome Tiger also has roots from his maternal side, with talent and acting a part of his psyche. This is one movie that brings out the best of Tiger Shroff's stunts, है ना? And we are happy for the lad with the silver foot and the best smile.
करीना, आपने हमेशा एक नया ट्रेंड सेट किया है बॉलीवुड में, चाहे वो ज़ीरो साइज़ का हो या कुछ और भी, और इस समय आप इसी फेज़ में, जिस फेज़ में हैं आप, उसमें एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं, ऐसी खबरें हैं। तो एक तो ये बता दीजिए कि आप करने वाली हैं, रोहित की फिल्म है या किसी और की फिल्म में आप इसी रूप में एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं जिस फेज़ में आप हैं इस समय, तो क्या है?
Well, I'm definitely going to go on with my normal life. I'm a working woman and there's absolutely nothing wrong in that. So I love my job, I'm passionate about my work. Acting में तो जब से मैं अपने माँ के पेट में थी तब से ही मैं एक्टर बनना चाहती थी. तो that's fine and I will continue acting all my life till I'm 80. So, you know, I mean, of course, if there's a role for me, why should I not do it? Well, I'm definitely going to go on with my normal life. I'm a working woman and there's absolutely nothing wrong in that. So I love my job, I'm passionate about my work. Acting में तो जब से मैं अपने माँ के पेट में थी तब से ही मैं एक्टर बनना चाहती थी. तो that's fine and I will continue acting all my life till I'm 80. So, you know, I mean, of course, if there's a role for me, why should I not do it?
Just आपने अभी just बोला about Golmaal 4. तो हम recently Rohit Shetty had given a quote that he will miss you in Golmaal 4. So since because you are in this phase, he's finding it odd to talk it out to you about the role. So what do you have to say about it?
Well, I think that those who have a role for me, they'll come to me, pregnant or not. I don't think there's anything wrong in that. And why should he be scared? I should be scared of him. Well, I think that those who have a role for me, they'll come to me, pregnant or not. I don't think there's anything wrong in that. And why should he be scared? I should be scared of him. I think it's a myth that pregnancy में, of course, rest तो होना चाहिए. And आपको कैसे पता कि मैं rest नहीं कर रही हूँ? रात को तो मैं rest कर ही रही हूँ, पर दिन को तो काम करना चाहिए ना? Well, I think that those who have a role for me, they'll come to me, pregnant or not. I don't think there's anything wrong in that. And why should he be scared? I should be scared of him.
Alright, so we have Malaika Arora Khan sizzling it up in the Hello magazine, and aren't we proud of the siren who is really a diva of sorts? Malaika, who is rumored to have broken up with Arbaz, seems to be chilling out in her own way. The perfect yummy mummy Malaika won everyone's praise through being a judge in India Has Got Talent. Apart from this, she is also the Chaya Chaya diva and the Munni of Bollywood. But with times, people grow old, but not Malaika, who puts even a youngster a tad lower than her. Anyway, we love Malaika's attitude, and this mother of teenage son sure has a lesson to give the rest of the world. Malaika Arora Khan is indeed a beauty of sorts, and we should take a leaf or two out of her life, है ना? Oh my god, Jacqueline and Tiger, the stars of A Flying Jet, are hijacked by Krishna, Abhishek and Bharti, and it was indeed a great sight to see this happen. On the sets of Comedy Nights Live, we see this happen, and when it is Bharti and Krishna in action, kuch bhi ho sakta hai. This happened during the promotion of A Flying Jet, the film that is to be released this week. Tiger Shroff is getting accolades for his stunts, dance style and cute looks. We are really happy to see the little Jaggu Dada rise up in stardom, and this is a film that sure would do him good. Jacqueline and Tiger look cute getting hijacked, and we only wish this happens in real life. All is fair with the duo, and the roast show sure saw Tiger and Jacqueline roasting the expectation of the fans, है ना? Well, here it is, Amitabh's role in Sarkar is decided, and it is different from the other two films. Yes, there would be no antagonist, and everything is going to be about action and drama for Amitabh's side. Amitabh, the angry Big B of Bollywood, had done justice to Sarkar by his unique portrayal of Sarkar. This political drama really took the cake of Big B's achievements, and aren't we happy to see him back? Getting ready for Pink, his next venture, this comes as a big-time news for all who make sure that they don't lose hold over their star icon, Amitabh Bachchan. Bachchan, known for his flair of acting, was famous as the angry young man and brought in this term in Bollywood. We love for what he is, and whether it is Sarkar or anything else, the legend goes on, है ना?